So, Santa is
on the fake list.
Santa is fake?
Santa's not really real.
Why?
By the way, when somebody lives in the North Pole, they never see Santa. When they live in Antarctica and they went to visit Antarctica or the North Pole, they don't even see Santa.
But Santa is Saint Nicholas.
Saint Nicholas is not real.
What made you say that? He's a saint.
But I never saw him.
Yeah.
Even when I tried to look in some shops, Santa's never there.
So you don't believe in Santa?
Santa's not real.
Okay. Who gives you presents?
My mom and dad.